significant development has emerged in the ongoing criminal defamation case involving Congress leader Rahul Gandhi and Hindutva ideologue Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. During proceedings before a Pune court, Satyaki Savarkar, the grandnephew of VD Savarkar, acknowledged that Savarkar had filed 10 mercy petitions with the British government seeking a reduction in his sentence. However, Satyaki Savarkar maintained that the petitions were not written in a tone of humility and did not contain any language expressing loyalty to the British rulers. He argued that while the petitions sought a reduction in punishment, they should not be interpreted as acts of submission to the colonial administration. The statement was made during Satyaki Savarkar's cross-examination by advocate Milind Pawar, who is representing Rahul Gandhi in the criminal defamation case. The case stems from remarks allegedly made by Rahul Gandhi during a speech in London in March 2023. According to Satyaki Savarkar, Rahul Gandhi defamed VD Savarkar by claiming that the Hindutva ideologue had written in a book that he and 5 to 6 friends assaulted a Muslim youth and derived pleasure from the act. Satyaki told the court that no such incident is mentioned in any of Savarkar's writings. During the hearing, Satyaki agreed that filing a mercy petition is an official legal procedure intended to seek a reduction in sentence and acknowledged that Savarkar had availed himself of the process. At the same time, he reiterated that the petitions were not drafted in a submissive manner and did not contain words pledging loyalty to the British government. Satyaki also agreed that several prominent revolutionaries including Rajguru, Batukeshwar Dutt and Ashfaqullah Khan did not file mercy petitions. However, he added that he was not aware of all the freedom fighters who may or may not have submitted similar pleas during the freedom struggle. The criminal defamation case continues to be heard in the Pune court, where the allegations and counter-allegations surrounding Rahul Gandhi's remarks on VD Savarkar remain under judicial examination.